I have a little bit of time to myself. I am booked for spa treatment this afternoon and just had a lovely cappuccino at the bar. Boys went to Aqualand today and I thought it's a good opportunity just to show you the apartment. So we're staying in 231. I always get that confused, but yes, I'm right, 231. So let me show you around. I'll turn the camera over so you have an idea, and excuse me the kind of mess. We live here for almost a week now. You can make yourself a drink. Make sure you bring with you maybe some tea with you, so you can have your own drinks, tea, coffee. It's not here, there's a kettle. So let's start here. It's a second floor, I think, and then you have the view for a splash pool, and further down there is main pool. You can't see the sea from here, but I think you'll have to be on the top to be able to see the sea. It's not a big deal really. So that's the our balcony, terrace balcony, and both of those doors open, and if you open both you have a nice breeze. So this is the sitting area. They just literally changed those chairs and table, and this is the little drying rack, which is very handy. This is a little rack where we keep most of our used up clothes. There's a TV, there's a decent amount of channels, to be honest. There's even Polish channel. At the moment I'm just in the background there. So this is the main area. The sofa, I think this sofa might sleep two people. Obviously our little boy is here. He's not complaining really. He's still that age where it's okay to have him here. We never really sat at this table. It's more like hanging things, putting things down, coffee table. And this is kind of kitchenette area. You have cups, plates. There we go. So appliances, we have a kettle, toaster, juicer, and coffee machine. So we haven't used these, we're just using kettle. There's also a microwave, which I only seen. There are some more glasses, juice, kind of jug. Did I look here? Okay, that's just empty here. And this is handy little light you can turn on in the night time, so Miles is not in complete darkness. You have the induction plate, some cutlery, bottle opener, things like that, just basic stuff. There are some pots and pans that I didn't even see because we eat here at the hotel, and just a bin and dusting pan, dust on. We got fridge and freezer. There's a tiny little freezer here. So very basic, very simple, all you need really. Not sure if you have bigger family, that might be an issue, but for three of us it's just right. There is the hallway. Everything is tiled, so nice and cool and clean. Excuse the beds, I'm not making up the beds just for the video. Here this door opens as well, and it has kind of inner curtains, the ones here, that make everything dark because I wouldn't be able to sleep in such lightness. And when you wake up in the morning it's still quite dark, so it might be worth putting an alarm on, because the daylight will not wake you up unless you're waking up at 10. So this is a little corner. I haven't even looked here, but I assume it's just the empty space. A big wardrobe. So there are some hangers, there are some shelves, and a safe. So I think you have to purchase safe for your stay. What's the thing, 14 euro or something like that, and you just use one of your cards. Like I said, there are some hangers here, some space. We basically live in a suitcases. I can't be bothered to hang things out. That's just me. So it's nice and spacious, this bedroom. I can't really complain. The only thing is, all the doors, they don't really close properly. So if I close that, I'll have to use lots of force and everything will shake if I open that door. The same in the bathroom, so that's a little bit an issue. There's aircon, kind of. I don't know how aircon-y that is. It doesn't feel like an ice aircon. That feeling of proper cold. Let's see at the bathroom. So it is decent size. You're not supposed to use a toilet paper down the toilet. I think that might be just a policy that the whole island has, because I've seen the same message in one of the bars. That's the shower area, bathtub, and I have to say it's the best shower I had in my life. It's so powerful, it's so warm. I don't know if they use solar panels to heat it up. It's just so lovely. So amazing. The shower is my favorite thing, I think. So yeah, that's the place. That's kind of the view from the end here. There we go. Just give you a little tour. Whilst the boys are at Aqualand. We've been for 3 days in Siam Park. And now it's mommy's time to chill. And like I said, I have a massage booked as well. So hopefully that will be me chilling today. I might go to the pool later. But now it's time to read some magazines and have a time for me. I hope you enjoy that, and look how tall is that little tree. It's just all the way up here. Okay, bye.